Cutting up, gang. Getting ready for the day, you feel me? That alkaline water, you feel me? Get that little sip, you feel me? Always good to start your day off drinking a bottle of water. Get the, you know. But yeah, just got retwisted yesterday, you feel me? Now I'm gonna get everything else together. Yeah, cut the hair off the neck. Got the stubbles coming in. I ain't even brushed the facial hair yet. Man, I'm about to get my whole stuff together. So today we're gonna use tools I'm gonna use today. Got the Cool Care, you feel me? Use the Cool Care on the clippers. Even though they my own clippers, but it cut better, you know what I'm saying? As far as the corrosion and all of that. You feel me? But the clippers I'm gonna use today, cutting up, gang. I'm gonna use the Envies and Quiet Escape cutting up, gang. These the first clippers I used when I was released. I started at the barbershop the second time around with 2 clippers. You feel me? This is one of the 2 clippers, and yeah, these clippers I use at home. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray these boys. I'm about that boy, yeah. And then I forgot, you know what I'm saying? Got the do-rag on, right? Just like I said, I went to sleep. This is how I go to sleep, depending on the style. When I get my locks done like this, you feel me? Either braids or the twist or something, 2-strand twist. I usually wear a do-rag at nighttime, but once I unravel them, you know they curly, I sleep with one of these because this is like a headband, and when you put it on, you feel me, all your curls be like right there where it'll hold in place, and the curls of your dreads will stay a lot longer. I'm gonna do a video on that and show y'all a little later, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Look, and we about to get ourselves together, you feel me? But like I say, the Envies is what I use at home, and then at home I got the Blackout limited edition T outliners. Like I said, this is another at home clipper. You feel me? About to get myself together. Now as far as the Envies, the guard sizes I'm gonna use is at a 0 guard magnetic, you feel me? And I got 1, you feel me? Magnetic. It's gonna fit right on the Envies once I get myself together. For the stubbles on my neck, I use that Andy's electric shavers, you feel me? Go crazy, get all the stubbles out. We about to get crispy, you feel me? Cutting that gang. And then straight razor. Yeah, got the straight razor, get the beard right. And gotta get the beard right. And then last but not least, got my hairbrush. Yeah, and then something else. And then I got my brush that I dust my clippers and liners and electric shavers off. So, without further ado, cutting up, guy, we about to get into it, you feel me? Live haircut, you know what I'm saying? Gonna brush the hair, you feel me? Brush the beard out, and then the type of hairstyle I'm about to do, off the dreads, off the retwist dreads, I kind of like my beard on the bottom dark and fade, and I'm gonna taper the sides. And yeah, man, I'm gonna take this do-rag off. This the proper way to sweep with your do-rag. You see how I got the string flat, so that way you won't have that line so crazy once you take this boy off. You feel me? Cutting up, gang. And yeah, let's do it. So that's how I do my self cut. You feel me? Just got the retwist, man. Yeah. So we like this right now, right? So I'm about to, you know, brush out everything I need to brush out. You feel me? Cutting out, gang. We about to get ourselves together. So start off with the lineup. Ooh, got 10. Boy, but as you can see, my line, it's gonna disappear, you feel me? But so you don't wanna wear your do-rag the other way, cause it's gonna, you feel me, cutting out, gang? Man, yeah. But I started cutting it off like this. Let me get the straightest line. Motherfucker, Straightest line, you feel me, cutting that game? Yeah, no pushbacks, you feel me? Yeah, man. And then for me, I kind of don't line the sides up. God damn it, I'm old, so I'm just kind of line the sides up and you feel me? But yeah, cutting up, gang. Let me show y'all this. So I grabbed my Andy Envies, right? And I taper the sides a little bit, you feel me? I forgot, I also use one of these combs too, yeah. I'm gonna taper the sides a little bit. Watch how I come out, you feel me? Sides a little bit. What we're gonna do to the right side, we're gonna do to the left side, even though this look like y'all left, but yeah, man. One side we're gonna do to the other side, you feel me? Little light tapered. Eh? The at-home cut, you feel me? Cutting up game. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Just getting myself together. Then for the beards, right? We're gonna go all the way down to about right here, right at that jaw. You feel me? And reverse and try to erase that line. Yeah. I might just do one whole side and show y'all, you feel me? And so we got that one done, right? You feel me? Cutting that game. Yup. Gonna do the same thing with the other side. Yup. We got that boy, man. And go all the way down with it. About, yeah, to that triangle, hit that triangle, you feel me? Draw a line. The rawest cut, you feel me? Yeah. Gotta be careful of pushing your hair back or cutting the wrong excess hair, but man, y'all got it cutting up, gang. Been doing this for years, you feel me? So what I did was taper the sides, right? Stopped at the jawline. As you can see, the other side, right? Taper the side, stopped at the jawline. Oh shit, let me get a little more in depth with that, you feel me? With the whole jawline. Alright, so we got that, right? And then we're gonna go with the grain on the mustache. You feel me? And then now as far as the bottom, we're gonna brush it out a little bit. You feel me? Brush it out a tad bit. We're gonna put that number 1 Andy guard on there. And we're gonna go with the grain. You feel me? So we want this side to be the darkest. But like around my insides of my mouth, I usually leave that natural. I don't really line that up. This is the outside type shit. I'm more like sharp but natural. You feel me? So that's the number 1 with the grain, right? And remember, we gotta taper the side. So as far as the beard, so just took the number 1 off. I'm putting the number 0 on, right? And boy, about to get that one tapered all the way together. You feel me? So I'm adjusting the lever up and down just so I could get everything the way I want it. Almost similar to painting, you feel me? If y'all are painters, comment on this video, man. I paint a little bit. I'm gonna bring that to the channel a little later, or I'll probably create a whole new channel for that. But yeah, man. Feel me? Just want everything to be, you know, natural, crispy, clean, however you wanna, you know. Eh? It's the summertime, you feel me? We out here every day, daily outside. So, now it's time for the blackout anti-T liners. I'm gonna start off with the stash, the bottom line, man. They're lying in me, man. Gotta be careful over here because you don't want to go up too high, you feel me? So we got the bottom done, you feel me? And then we're gonna tap the top. Tap the top, you feel me? Get the stubbles a little bit. Some of the stubbles that the razor, that's too far up for the razor to get. But we're gonna get the whole beard line like razor sharp. So we're gonna use that razor, you feel me? So yeah, those are stubbles, right? It's too high for the razor to attack. Now we about to go to the neckline. Usually like my neckline natural, right under, you know? Yeah. Sick, I got a few grays, but you know, it is what it is. Just keeping that line hard, you feel me? Hard and sharp. Let's see how we can do this. You're gonna get all the stubbles out, you feel me? See, the thing about the neck, hair grows so many different ways. So you gotta make sure you get the neck clear. I don't go for like the teenage guys. Like once you get in your 20s and 30s and above, boy, I have hair growing damn near every day. Only to get it clean the next day, like, man, what the, you feel me? But you know, it is what it is. So, got that cleaned up. Use the electric shavers now. Way. Way. Myself that $50 haircut, you feel me? Hot, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Now we're gonna grab the straight razor. Wait, I'm about to get ourselves together. You know? I don't want to go in on the beard too much, you feel me? You want everything natural. Hey, so Now we're gonna switch it back to the anti-Ti liners. You feel me? Cutting up game. Damn, I ain't coming out, boy. No pushbacks, cutting up gang. You feel me? Let's see where we at. That hard line. Switch it back to the straight razors. You feel me? Boy, man, same thing on this side. Boy. Yeah. So, see if I did it all right. You feel me? Yeah. We're gonna leave it like this, cutting up gang. You feel me? The lion came out of me. Yeah, I'm ready for the day. Boy. So look. If y'all like videos like this, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, gave myself the ooh-wop. We out here. Start this day, and I'm gonna see y'all again a little later. Man, yeah.